like it better up. I like the kind of ghetto style. I feel like it's a little ghetto. But
yeah, gurus and new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tuned with Disastrous Beauty.
hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Braids Queen. Shout out to you, Braids Queen, for sending me this unit. As you guys could see from the cap construction, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it also has an elastic headband. This unit is in the color 1B/27. It is Goddess Box Braided Wig, and it's a 13x4 lace frontal. So if you're interested in any more details, specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
If you ever feel alone, cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid, just follow me. You don't need no space, just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror you reflect me. I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid, just follow me. You don't need no space, just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror you reflect me. I just don't want this moment to end.
So I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Braids Queen. Shout out to you, Braids Queen, for sending me yet another unit. If you guys have been watching me as of late, I have done a few units from this company, and honey, they do not disappoint, okay? So definitely go and check them out. Whether it's this unit or any of their other units, I will have a direct link to all of that down below in the description box. Okay, so honey, let's talk about the unit that I am wearing. But first, honey, let me put my phone on charge before she be dead. Okay, uno momento. Woo, child, shout out to Braids Queen for their patience, because they sent me this unit a while ago, and because it was the holidays and I had a whole lot of going on, child, it just took me a minute to get to it. But they literally sent this to me like on the 21st of December, and today is the 5th. So shout out to you for your patience, Braids Queen. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is their color 1B/27 Goddess Box Braid 13x4 lace frontal wig. And I want to go ahead and say that this unit is $119, honey, okay? So I always like to say the pricing of these braided wigs because it's only one price, okay? Because you can't get it in any other color, you can't get it in any other length. So I do want to say that because I did review another unit from this company, and the biggest question that I got was, could you get it in another color? I don't see any other color on here. This unit only comes in this 1B/27 color. It says, get a perfect braided look under 15 minutes instead of sitting for 8 hours of traditional braids. Honey, you said a mouthful then, girl. Okay? Save time and money. 100% high quality cankalon fiber. 100% hand braided, realistic cornrow wig. Ultra soft Swiss lace wig, cap size standard medium. So it only comes in a standard medium cap size. 13 by 4 lace area. Length 28 inches, and it says the weight is 350 grams, not heavy at all. And it's not heavy, y'all. It may look like a lot of hair, but it's not heavy, because honey, if it was heavy, I would let you know. Even though I do subscribe to Pain is Beauty, this is not, it's not painful, honey. It's super, super lightweight. Like, most of their wigs, in my opinion, are very, very lightweight, even though they are braided wigs. Now, some of the stuff that I want to address with this wig is some things that I saw with the last wig that I reviewed from this company. One of those things is I did use the ball cap method. I feel like, in my opinion, these types of wigs, the braided wigs, they look better with the ball cap method. I'm not somebody that always likes to do the ball cap method, but in my opinion, in my non-expert opinion, braided wigs just look better with a ball cap. It just does, in my opinion. Like, I feel like it looks really, really natural when you use the ball cap method. Another thing that I saw somebody saying was that, oh, they sent you the good wig. They sent you the good wig. The lace is too dark. It's da-da-da-da, all this other stuff. Now, honestly, the lace is darker. It's like a medium brown color. And usually for me, when a wig comes in the brown color, it's just too dark for my complexion. But despite that, when I use the wig cap that I used and did the ball cap method, it doesn't, like, can you see it? Like, you may can see it a little bit, but it's not anything bad. Let me see if I can turn my lights down so maybe you can get a more natural feel. Like, that is what it looks like. And as you guys saw, the lace was pretty dark. So I feel like if you use the ball cap method, that gets rid of that. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. That's the only way I can think of that you can fix it. What was another thing? Oh, and the way that the braids are. Now, when it comes to the knotless braids, I don't know what it is with a lot of companies. I've gotten a few wigs that were knotless braid wigs. You know what I mean? Just like knotless box braid wigs. I don't know what hair they use. Every company that I have ever gotten a knotless braided wig from, the hair just feels off. I don't know. But when it comes to these cornrow type of wigs, it feels like, I mean, it feels like it looks like, you know, like you went and got your hair braided. It's the same hair or whatever that we would normally use for a braided wig. So I just wanted to address some of those things, because those were things that I saw pop up with that other braided wig. And this one, even though it's not similar in color, it's still like a similar type of unit. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it. Like, obviously there's no shedding or no tangle. Well, hold on, honey, she's tangly a little bit. Yeah, she does have a few tangles, like in the little hair part. Like, it's not really tangled, but you may hit some snags down here. And I'm pretty sure somebody down below can tell you how to fix that, because I don't know. But I know that's like an easy fix. I just don't know. Is it hot water? I don't know, y'all. Tell me down below. But yeah, that's not a big thing. Like, it's not something that you can't just run your fingers through. And I've been balling this hair up. I've been doing all kinds of stuff with it while I was getting ready. I keep looking over here because my monitor is over here, and I'm looking to make sure this ponytail ain't crooked, because it's crooked in my head. But yeah, that is pretty much it, y'all. Like, obviously there's no shedding with this unit. Like, it's still a braided wig, even though it has these loose hairs at the end. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you're interested in, I'm gonna just show you guys sorta, like, you see my Ivy Park shirt, my friend, my bestie, she bought me this. It's so cute. But anyways, this is where the hair comes to me. It does say that the hair is 28 inches long. Was it 28? Yeah, the hair is 28 inches long. And if you're interested in seeing where it comes to me in the back, I'll do that. I'll stand up when I do my full 360. So yeah, y'all, if you are interested in any more how I feel about this unit and any more things about it, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so I'm feeling her. I am feeling it. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I have been putting this wig off. I felt like it was gonna be a lot of work. I wasn't sure if I was gonna really like her. I don't usually like hair like this. I just don't, but it's a vibe. Like, once again, once the wig is on my head, they come through. Like, I don't know what it is about this company, but they always come through with the come through, because I can look at a unit and be like, and even looking at it on the site, I was still like, I don't know if that's like my vibe. I don't know if I'll like it, because honestly, I do like it better up than I did down. So that's another thing for me with this particular wig. I think it is a really nice wig. I just kind of like it better up. I like the kind of ghetto style. I feel like it's a little ghetto, but I do like it. I like the style of it. I think it's the look. And honey, Reginald Brown co-signed it. He was like, yeah, you know, I like your hair. That was all I needed, okay? I was like, okay, it's a look. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look. Once again, shout out to you, Braids Queen. I feel like it's really realistic looking. Now, as far as the little things that I have on here, these are from the beauty supply store. You guys know, with all of my braided wigs, I'm gonna find somewhere to put these things. I love them. And these little things right here, I wanted to put more of them on, but honey, they are hard. So I got these from Amazon though. And I think I actually bought them for maybe Journey's hair, and I didn't use them or whatever, so I use them. But they're hard to get on. They're cute, but they're hard to get on. I didn't want to just over accessorize the unit. So yeah, that is basically it. But she's a look, she's a vibe. She was kind of giving me old school Beyonce Say My Name video, you know what I'm saying? Circa 98, 99. Hey Google, what year did Say My Name by Destiny Child come out?
The release date of Say My Name was July 27th, 1999.
Okay, yeah. Circa 1999, honey, okay? That is the vibe it was giving me, so that's why I put on my Ivy Park shirt, because, honey, she was serving me old school Beyonce, okay? So, yeah, it's a vibe to me. It's a look. Like, let me know down below what you guys think. Would you wear a unit like this? I feel like most things that were popular in the 90s, honey, they made a comeback. Like, it's making a comeback. So I like it, y'all. I am feeling it. Like I say, it's a vibe, it's a look to me. Let me know if it's a look to you. And you guys know, I'm gonna let you guys see what this back is looking like, because I know y'all wondering. I'm wondering too, child. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 as well as a lint check. So if you're interested in that, then please continue to watch. Well, no, that ain't what I say. Yeah, I'm gonna do this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. That's what I say, girl. That's what you be saying. Oh, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And we're gonna go ahead and do this so you guys can really get a good look at the back. I honestly don't know what it looks like back there. Can you see? Okay, and then I'm gonna stand and we'll do a lint check. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", so depending on your height, it can be longer or shorter on you. Okay, and this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, I'm feeling it. It's a look. I think it is a really cute wig. I am going to take some pictures with it in this style, and then I'm going to take it down and take some pictures with it down, just so you guys can sort of see in the thumbnail like what it looks like. I don't know, honey. It depends on what the pictures come out like, because you may only see it down or you may only see it like up in the thumbnail. I don't know, but you guys have already basically seen it down. But yeah, once again, shout out to you, Braids Queen. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And honey, we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Helton Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.